Whoa, good job. Okay, go to the couch. You gotta walk to the couch. Stand up, walk to the couch. Put your spoon down. Come here. Wow. Come here. Come on. Wow. Good job. Now go to the couch. You gotta go to the couch. Wow, look at you. You got a big spoon. Careful. Uh-oh. Oh, you getting tired? Wow. Can you go to the couch? Vincent, go to the couch. Look. Here. Go to the couch. No, you don't need on there. You little stinker. Vincent Van? Yeah, is that funny? You be careful. Okay, you done walking for Mommy? Vincey, give me a kiss. Hey, come down. Come here. Give me kisses. Oh, good job. That was so big. Okay, say bye-bye. We got to go cook dinner. Be careful, sonny boy. Okay, bye-bye.